Alright guys, so if you want to learn how to edit videos, get my point. If you are a complete beginner and you want to learn how to edit videos, so join my class. My phone number is right there on screen, so you can chat me up on WhatsApp.
Let's go there. Mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. Now record an empty background for like maybe 5 seconds, and then you walk in there and then say whatever you want to say. Like I said, if you want to learn how to edit videos, you join my WhatsApp, understand? Then you jump. When you are done with this, you save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. Now click on the plus icon here, import the video you recorded to Capcut. Take note, we recorded an empty background first before we did the main video. You get my point? Let me know you get my point in the comment section. So what we are going to do from here is we will have to split the empty background. You have to split the empty background because we want to use the empty background first. So from here, tap on the video, now click on split. Now go and look for overlay. Where is overlay? Just go and tap on overlay. Where is overlay? Okay, see overlay here, so click on it to come down. So now you are not bringing it to the beginning of the video, you just drag it out, understand? Then you tap on the empty layer, empty background. So now from here, go and look for freeze. Click on freeze. You get my point? I believe you understand what I'm saying. So from here, you can delete the beginning of the video. Now you use the one you just freeze. Now drag that one, just drag it longer. So now we want to add our green screen. Like I said, it's not for free, so you go to footagecreate.com, you will get it there. Now click on add overlay, add the green screen effect. Go and look for remove BG. Now tap on it. Now go to chroma key, use this select green. Just select green. Now when you are done with that one, tap on intensity. On this intensity, drag it to 100. You get my point? So you are going to drag it to 100. So when you are done that one, click on this shadow. There is this shadow you are seeing here, so tap on shadow, bring it also to 100. So I believe you enjoy what you are seeing. You get my point? So that is just it. So from here, you are going to place your finger on your screen. Now before you do that, tap on the green screen, tap your finger on your screen to adjust it to fit to what you want. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Do well to share this video to get to others. Like and comment. You get my point? So for my WhatsApp classes, if you want to join my WhatsApp classes, you want to learn how to edit videos, guys, please, it is not free. It is not free. You get my point? So I charge for 1 week. So I will teach you the basic things you need to know, and also how to get this green screen effect for free. You get my point? And how to use them, how to apply them. My WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. You get my point? So guys, now that you're done with the settings, we need to add the character now. So go to where it was, drag it to the beginning of the video. So from here, you'll have to tap on the second layer, which is the green screen. Now drag it to where you think the accident will happen. Understand? Just a kind of adjustment. Just bring it from the beginning to somewhere in the middle where the accident will happen. Now tap on split, go to remove BG. Let's go there, bro. So now tap on it. Now auto removal, click on auto removal, allow it to remove completely. Allow it to remove completely. You get my point? So now let's see how it goes. You see it, you like it. So guys, I believe you'll be able to do it. I believe you'll be able to do it. That's just it. Understand? You get my point. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our video editing tutorials. And like I said, if you want to join my WhatsApp classes, private classes, guys, chat me up on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. You get my point. Also, if you're not ready to make payments, please don't request to my bank details. Understand? You can be learning from this my YouTube channel as I explain it and make it simplified. You understand? So thank you so much for watching. Please share this video and also see you in our next video.
Alright guys, so if you want to learn how to edit videos, get my point. If you are a complete beginner and you want to learn how to edit videos, so join my class. My phone number is right there on screen, so you can chat me up on WhatsApp.